What is up, guys? It's Simon from PianoPig.com, and I'm sorry I haven't posted anything for a while. I've been super busy moving into this new place, but I'm now all set up and ready to share some cool stuff with you guys. So let's get straight on with it. So I was transcribing a Charlie Parker solo the other day, and I heard this lick he played over a 2-5-1, which I thought I just had to share with you. This is how it sounds, and we're going to learn it in the original key, which is A flat major. And a bit slower. I should also mention, if you want the notation for this lick in all 12 keys, you can download that from my website, and there's a link in the description below that will take you there. So in my left hand, I'm just playing some pretty standard voicings for a 2-5-1. And if you're not sure about those, then go and check out my video on 2-5-1s. So this lick is more of just a 5-1 lick, since we don't actually play anything on chord 2. But when we hit chord 5, and E flat 7 in this case, we start with the major third. So this is an E flat 7, so 1, 2, 3. The major third is a G. But before we hit this note, we actually have this little approach pattern just before. And then we land on G on beat 2. So 1, 2. And then what we do is run up this scale. And what this scale is actually part of the E flat Mixolydian scale. But we just start on the 5th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But just before we land on this B flat, we actually have a little chromatic half step rise. So let's put all of that together, just starting from the E flat 7 chord. 1, 2, 3. And then from here, we stay within the E flat Mixolydian scale, but we actually play up a minor triad. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next bit is nice and easy. We just come chromatically down until we hit the root note of chord 1. So we're playing a 2-5-1 in A flat major, so the 1 chord's obviously going to be A flat major, and the root note of that's going to be A flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then from here, we just need to learn this. So what's happening here? Well, we start by coming down a major triad. And that's all within the A flat major scale, but we do land on the 4th, which gives it a bit of interesting dissonance. But we quickly leave that and finish with this. So everything all together up until that point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So that last little bit, we start by just playing around with the major scale. We've got the 2nd, 3rd, and 5th of A flat, and then we just come chromatically down to land on the root. So all together from the A flat chord. And if we put it all together, so it's a really cool lick, and if you're looking to get more into bebop, then learning and transcribing licks like this is the best way to go. And Charlie Parker is for sure the guy to go and listen to if you're looking for some new bebop licks. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then definitely make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.